Kianda, Isano Nemo Marakane, Isano, Eyemo, Gusua Kisimi Asichinambichi, Irio Manyamange, Ebesa Yogo Soiraro, Nichishili Gichimi Ibirichuka, Gusii Urban Extravaganza, na Gusii Urban Blaze, Ekebemberi Bori. Ndizi TV, Ubwansu, Gusii.
Benki ya mwanchi omurigere ribegeta seni kya Ndizi TV na bwansu bwo mugusingwa gana ritwari ya uri abere ritoyero kegima nanene kwa beire go kwego kya asoko bwatia emiroberion sigeta seni kya Ndizi TV na bwansu bwo mugusi ekerorire ritwari ya Halamis tariki 2023 cyomutienyi oyikomi narimo omwaka bwechi 2023 ekeronga getebuna aboroki wabo betu bawe karansa samatemwa bo yekeras kya 5 na 3 KCP bagendrete chengera amachibwa mayayo magaga ya matemwa yokorari wari tkoria rero kurende cyaragire igose yaragire nsemo yabona magoroba cinga kingo kwarigania SMS Amayia eriongo manyebuna nara ya kubwatira nabasaki baito toberto gosangereria seri tkorigima nago kwariganiria asenchera ere yobekira nuko rende tan kegima teatranyore gatiari ngwariganirie asenchera yobwenge
428 marks is the highest score for this year. I wish to commend the candidates and all officials for ensuring that the integrity and the credibility of the 2023 KCPE examination remained high.
Amachibu ya matemwa manena KCP korariwa benene wizara ya HSMI.
It is through hard working, through discipline, through cooperation of parents and teachers, and the children were highly disciplined.
Omokia chimbwa chingia no kobwatrana na kokwerereta machibwa maya kwene kiwane na sorogongo rwa Gusii.
We are opening our schools on the 8th of January for the new year, meaning that we are back to our normal calendar of events after COVID.
Kalenda ya masomo ko inera ase chiskuru chigo chikoigoro mutenyo mutangani omwako gocha. Ayo mnaenda mango mwanchi umuriyari bonongo kwarigani eriongo manya senchera ere yowekranwa sensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyora wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube otonyora wetra Ndizi TV News ase website ya ito na bako yasoma wetra www.ndizitv.net ere togendrego kumanya abuna watka kurwa se chinsinyo au kera rituko orio kaine kya chibicha neryo gicha wekere niga koro kwa Petra Mukeira na nchiri tariane Everline Osero kwarigani obe kogosanga na intwe goika omwerio Amayia ya masenchira yobo ikirani otogo ya chaka senchira ya bene awase ritkoria rero aumbe wizara yechsemize mu waziri Ezekiel Machogu yabage koraria okubwatwa kwa machibu ya matemwa amanene yekirasi kya 5 na 3 KCP yo mwako yega awase boigo aramatemu yo mwerio ase umuroberio 0844 ase korengana ne kalenda ya masomo abaroki wawetane milioni ya monuktainye ni babete ba wisaransira ase amatemwayo awase umuwaziri Machogu wabaga kwenekia abuna oburendo botingu bose merobere mekirano nigo yabaga kwenekiwa chinga ki cha matemwayega umwana umutanganike gima imeyense ya Kenya samatemwa ya KCP nigabwate amaxi chiminye meronko ebere na 5 na 3 awase aboroki wawetani chiminye babwate amaxi wetani chiminye ase abaroki wa inse agosabaroki wa chiri wibere na 251 babwate amaxi ayare inse ya emia eyemo nigo nonyana bo yaire kiwabuna asamate mu mwako yiga ebikore byo webiti bya beta bikoine kiwasekerengo keigoro ekere korenganywa namatko amagega ase ebire gose ase ebikore byo webi ebi bya bikoine kiwa omwako yiga byarenke bibere byo kamacho kunabaka okwandera egati emerobero au eyo abere bakubeka bune wizara yetsemi iyo koine kiabuna babere bagosira emerobero yetsemi imeyense ya Kenya asibo igaine kiabuna boroki wabo baba konyora machiwa boritkoria rero nigo barache kumanya chiskuru bakwenda ase egeka yechi kibere chirebosyo kore nayo munanda mange nigo muri keito Dorcas akemuma atwariganete orboti urwase obwitano
Itikoria rero nigo ryekirio mweri obugotangaswa kwa matemwa ya kirasi 8 a KCPE ase omurobero bwechiseme ase ense ito ya Kenya ase ensemeria yechisukuru choboroso. Omwaziri bwechisemi Ezekiel Machoguri tukoria rero nigabwatoka matemwa kirasi 8 amonari ya grade 6 ase atangasa koro asomagacho amitihani house yego toka ase chinsemo cha South Sea imeye county ya Nairobi. Anana Machogu aboroki wa milioni Eyemo nechinigutenye nigo baikaransirete amatemwa abo akirasi 8 asikolenda boroki wa chirukianda abo batanyalite goikaransira amatemwa abo.
In the 2023 KCPE examination, there were 1,406,559 candidates who sat the KCPE examination in seat for the KCPE examination, and of these, 125 were male, while 8 of them were female candidates.
Asensemo yo karabia ase amatemo yo kirasi 8 nigo abarokiwa abamura barorekanete kokarabia kubwa abaria abanyaruka. Asensemo yo karabia ase emeremo nigo abamura barogetie gutangana ase echinsemo amasomo aria yesabu amo nechi science nabo igo abanyaruka gutangana ase emeremeria yegesongo egeswahili social studies amo na sign language.
And in the 2023 KCPE examination, 80,523 candidates, which is 0.60%, attained a score of 400 marks and above. This was a drop compared with the 2022 KCPE examination when 9,443 candidates, which was 0.76%, scored 400 marks and above.
Asoma koyiga amorokiwa oria otangana aigabwate amaxi chiminye emerongebere na isano na isato.
The highest score this year was 428 marks. 428 marks is the highest score for this year. I wish to
Machogoni gaira chingecho kumanya borokiwa amona baiboli bariba abana babo batakorete amatema yu a KCPE muna mbachikwe wa ribagari abene na goikaransira amatema yo omutenyo mutangani omwaka ogocha
1,000 who never did the examination, and we have given them the opportunity to come and do the exam.
Alioko chingakecho ni goboiga boli ya baibori kwene kinga ankoira bare abana babo chiskuru ribuna morokiwa ondetayo orachi gotigara ase chinka asekeri ga serikali ebwegetemero berio yokwene kinga abarokiwa bonsi baichire ase chiskuru chechi secondary.
Said the ministry will offer Form 1 placement opportunities to all the candidates who sat the 2023 KCPE examination in our public and the private secondary schools. Already the ministry has developed a fair and transparent system for Form 1 placement that will ensure national, regional and socio-economic balance is achieved. The placement process will start on Monday, the 27th November 2023 and conclude within a period of 2 weeks.
Boigo nigo muwaziri uyu akwanira asensemo ya masomo yechi university asomoroberio omoya oyogosira aborokiwa asechi skuru chechi university amo nechi college.
Variable scholarship and their own funding model under which students are funded depending on their level of need. I'm happy to announce that the rollout of the new funding model has been successful. Already, the Higher Education Loans Board has released the sum of 5.2 billion to first-year students in our various public universities.
Ndizi TV, Dorcas Kemuma.
Biamono morikeito Dorcas Kemumase orobo chururu kiranu chinga kecho ni wachiskuru au chigendrete gochengera amachibu amaya ya matemayo anenase chiskuru korwase orogongorwa Gusii eskuru ya Little Angels na boigo eskuru ya Excel Shining ni gochi abachiko gokera amachibu amaya abasibata na omokia bwokobwat na boigo okobwatrana egati ya baorokia abaibori na boigo aborokiwa ne chimbwa chingia ase aborokiwa na kiomono kererete chiwa maya kwenekiwa ase skuru yo morikeito Josephat Amisi na bakagutarira chiskuru echo
Maiga ya serikali kubwatoka amachibu yo amatemu yekirasi kya gatano na gatatu mwaka wa 2023 imeye county ya Kisii nigo chiskuru janyareko bachiko gokera amachibu ayo amaya ase ababwatani anenebe sekta jisemi banyarako bagoteba no kubaterana okuya gati yabatenere bechiskuru abaiboli naboigo abana.
I'm very much delighted esing enche amatemu itanyaraka gosoka bia toreno mogoko konyora umwana ito mutangani konyora max 403 the following to be scoring 402 marks. So I'm very much humbled and delighted. I'm grateful God has done it for us. He has not disappointed.
Twagokire sana na hino twanyoria matokea maya togoteba nyasaye ngambia mono asaba arimo bari banyara gukore gasi eringiya na abaiburi nabo igo na abana togoteba nga abaiburi bonse bitoretera abana. Little Angels is the place to be.
Ase skuru ya Excel Shining Star nigo ababwatani anenebe skuru banyara ko bagweso kena goteba amachibu ayo amaya nigo aletire kubwatekana no kubwaterana okuya kwanyara ko bakorekana.
A parent wa the candidate ambaye ameongoza katika hii shule. Kwa hivyo nachukua nafasi kushukuru Mungu sana kwa ajili ya ushirika ambao ametupa pamoja na the entire staff, na hakika ni kwamba tumeona mkono wa Bwana.
But this time we had 394, meaning we've done our best. Thank you God for that wonderful result. Again, if you compare the last 3 year result, if you check mathematics, we got a mean of 50 something. But this time we had a mean of 73. That is wonderful.
And I thank God also that the candidate this time, this year, they have made it. It is through hard working, through discipline, through cooperation of parents and teachers, and the children were highly disciplined.
Gati ya barokiwa kurwa ase skuru ya Excel Shining Star na boigo ya Little Angels abanyara ko bagokora bya samatemu ayo nigo babwate aya bagusanga amaneketa seni kya Ndizi TV.
My name is Nyeshai Alpha Babu. I had 402 marks. I would like to go to Mangu Boys High School. In the future I would like to be an engineer, and those who are out there I would like to tell you, always remember to put God first. Thank you.
My name is Sadfa Kwamboka and I had 401 marks. My dream school is Alliance Girls.
Prayer since I began this school was that I wanted to make this school to be popular, and I wanted to make this school to make everyone excited. And I thank God for He has made me to make every person in this school excited.
We could not have made it without God's will, and His will that got us here. My dream school was Kenya High, and I hope I will go there someday. And when I grow up, I want to be a neurosurgeon.
Amachibu aya ya matemu AKCP yo mwaka wa 2023 naro areyo mwario asomoroberio bwechisemi 844 asibono omwaziri Ezekiel Machogu atebire guchakira mwaka gocha niga serikali ranyara ko bekwarigani bene omoroberio omuya bwechisemi OCBC. Kuripoti katasini kia Ndizi TV kurua eskuru yoboroso excelling shining star yogotoka asensemo ya soko mjinga Amayia County ya Kisii eliterana Josephat Hamisi.
Niamono murikeito Josephat Hamisi ase orobo tiororikira muchinga kiechonigo ase skuru ya Tresa Primary and Junior Secondary na barabu yabage kugokera amachibwa mayabwa ayabaga koenekiwa kurwase aborokiwa babete bawisaranza ase amatemu a KCP nigo abateneni kurwase skuru yo baba bakugokera amachibwa yo natana nigo be ariganetie kegima ase okobeko mokia anene gogosira amatemu arebosio anena sowekirania roberio OCBC omurikito dipo nasanya na mange
Maiga ya matemu amanene jo mwelio yekirasi kia 5 na 3 KCP Ensa ya Kenya kubwato kwa lero chiskuru ao nigo chiarolekana chigo chengera amachibu aywe asoko karabuya omoroki wo mutangani Amayia skuru ya Tresa Academy Masela Mura niga gokera okonyora magisi chiminye na 15 na ibere.
It was full of bumps and rocks, but our Father has been with us. God has been protecting us, even though sickness has been a shield. It has been coming against us, but we fought, and through His love and guidance, we have made it here.
Nonyanabo okonyora machibuli tukulia lero niga tuara kongu kurende okolemerelia nigo kwaleta amatunda maya.
I got a problem, so I had to come to school, but we also had to wait it, but now the results have come.
Gusangano mwalimu monene we skuru ywe Mr. Omondi nigatebanga eskuru ywe nigo yakorire buya gwetania omwako era.
Our top student has scored 417, and that is a big plus compared to last year where our top student scored 400. So that is a wonderful improvement. Even though since morning we have experienced a lot of problems, but at long last the problem was solved, and at long last we have received the result. So thanks to the parents, we really thank God and our director for the support that he has given us. We look forward to do better in the future.
Omo director we skuru ye Jackson Mbati nere tatigareti magiga asanyara kwenilia Bible ngambi yamono asokubwatirana kwabo kuya.
I want to thank all the teachers for their support, for the good work they have done throughout this year. The parents, their unwavering support. I'm sure they had difficult times in getting school fees. All in all, they tried very much. They brought the kids to school, and at last we have the results.
Wego na nyara kwerera okwerobelia okuya elioko bwatira koboko omurobelio muya OCBC elioko genderera gokora buya asemya kerebosio.
So as we are transiting to CBC, that is the new system that is coming, I want to assure our parents that Tresa will remain to be the top. So far, we have improved on infrastructure, and we hope that we are going to get the best out of our children.
Komenta na ywe ni garolekana go isaneka no konyara kwa baroki gwabe skuru ywe asa matemwa yo mwako yega bwechiri wibere na merongebere na isato.
Received all the results. The top pupil is 417, followed by 409, then we have 400. The mean score of the school is 369, which is very impressive. We thank God for that.
Ginko ripoti Ndizi TV kuru skuru ya Tresa Academy egotoka Jogvilla daraja 2 Amayia County ya Kisii eletalia Nedipon asanya.
Miamano murikeito dipona sanya se orobo tiororikira nuchinga kiechoni go chiskuru awe go chiagendra go chengera amachibwa maya ayo agwase skuru ya gender etati wa magega ase aboroki wana boigo abaiboli baba gotwara omogoko omonene na otana nigo yabere sabari ntambe korende babeire bakoeneke amachibwa maya anenekere korengani wa namatuko amagega murikeito Apollinary Sakama na ikirana se skuru yo.
Maiga ye wisara ye chisemi kobwato kama temwa manene ye kirasi kia 5 na 3 nigo chiskuru chikoletivi ya chigenderete go chengera amatoke ayo abwase eskuru ya chende yo gotoka sensemo ya bochura nyamataro nero etatigara maiga go chengera amatoke ayo.
Kwa majina ni David Masaka Manyaga katika shule ya Gender. Leo hii kwanza ningeanza kwa kumshukuru meneja wa shule yetu, walimu wangu na wazazi wangu kwa kuwa walinipa ule moyo wa kuwa ambapo nimesimama hapa sasa. Ingawa tulikuwa tunatarajia alama 400, tumepata alama 388. Tunamshukuru Mwenyezi Mungu kwani ndiye anajua ambayo amefanya. Wenzangu pale, nataka niweze kuambia kuwa alama ambayo umepata ni Mungu amekujalia. Usiweze kuja kusema kuwa wewe ni dhaifu. La.
Abalimu na barabunigo bagokera amatoke ayo agoteba buna ne sabali yabaire ntambe
ase skuru yitorero ase twikire nyasato ira matoke aya twarure toko batambe tokorwa tambe togoshirikiana keriya charero abana barura tambe na matoke aita improve igo barure ale sane sabali eye twarwanire tugwakambu ya mono ase director yaito ne skuru engima na community asogo tubwatera ntwensi na abalimu wensangu gaiga ngati goteba
omo director gukwana negeta seni ekenere nigo aerera omogokoye kubwatekana no gukora buya gwe skuru eyo.
Kwa majina naitwa Bernard Monyenye, mimi ndiye mwanzilishi na manager. Kwanza nashukuru walimu wangu wote kwa kazi nzuri ambayo wamefanya kwa hawa watoto. Kusema ukweli, hawa watoto wa mwaka huu wamejitahidi sana kwa sababu walikuwa chini tangu tulipoanza mwaka. Mini score yao ilikuwa 229. Ukiona tumetoka 229 mpaka tumefika mini score ya 338, tunashukuru Mwenyezi Mungu. Na hawa watoto wako 47 kwa hawa watoto 47. Ukiangalia ni watoto 5 wako chini ya alama 300. Kwa hivyo nashukuru wa walimu kwa kazi nzuri ambayo wameifanya, na tunaomba tuendelee kushirikiana. Ingawa huu ndio mtihani wa mwisho wa KCPE, pia tunapojiandaa kwa ule mwingine kwa ajili ya CBC, tunashukuru Mwenyezi Mungu na tutaendelea kufanya vyema kwa sababu wazazi wako na sisi na watoto wanajua kazi ambayo tunaweza kuifanya.
Abaiboli na barabuni ngo barenge no mogoko monene kubwatikana n'abana babo gukora buya obwase oyo mo batebana n'onyo mwana oyo lenge konyora amagisi make nigo akora buya kengi masa matoke ayo.
Marieta ngoro Daniel Mochoge mukwa seitonya mataro nagokire sana asa matemo ya bana banyarire gukora actually munanje gukwana igano mwaburi kwe school Ben's Gender igo narete to mwana one school yegaiga mwana one gakanyorera max 100 akanyorera max 1 ekerate MTP 130 bona iga nagokire sana sa bari mu school Ben's Gender omoki bakorire gusomia abana bako mwana one bona iga anyorera max 350
ngoro kuumori nikirubu musigisi. Nimeshukuru manager wangu ambaye ni my friend Ben. Nashukuru walimu wa hii shule na nimefurahia kwa miujiza ya Mungu. Tumepata matokeo mazuri kama wazazi wa hii shule. We thank God.
Kuripota ya Ndizi TV Korwase constituency ya Kitutu Chache South ncheri tariana na Porinaris Akama.
Mwanchi omurigere boigo chiskuru Korwase county ya Nyamira nigo chitatigiri magega ase ogokoria buyasa matemwa ya gatiabo eskuru ya Alimo Academy, eskuru ya Eronge, eskuru ya Royal Metropolis na bege eskuru ya St George's negatie eskuru chirichiaba chikonekia amachibwa maya eskuru ya Erong aba director Korwase eskuru ya Eronge na boigo eskuru ya Royal nigo baba kogokera amachibwa yo na gotebna nigo ba ochekogendera kubeka omokia ase amatukare mutwe ase skuru ya Royal Metropolis nigo babwate minsko ya 382 awase skuru ya Eronga Adventist yabwate minsko ya 359.
Okay, kwa na yambwata matokeo Royal Metropolis aso mwana mutanganya bwate 416 ne mean yes skuru 382 an improvement from last year where we had a mean of 380. So the first child scored 416. We have 12 of them scoring more than 400, and we have 55 scoring between 350 and 399, and only 4 below 350, giving us a mean of 382. So these are good performance, and this is what we expected to get.
I mean, over 36 candidates who have scored 400 mark, and we anticipated to have 50 plus. But looking for, as the exams were released out, seemingly there was a lot of moderation. That is why you saw that the best candidate in the country who scored only 428. With us, our best candidate is scored 413, and the lowest scored 190, and those who are below 250 were only 3. So at least with that normal curve, we are satisfied that our candidates did well. We had over 350 candidates this year, and those who scored 300 marks and above were 321. So those who are below that mark are only 24. So at least we are proud of the mark, and we thank God for that. And I want to take this opportunity to thank our teachers who are very dedicated, and our parents too, who are very committed and very supportive.
Mwanchi omuri ibone chone gati ekikuru kiri kyabachikwane kyamachibu amayakorene nechinge chinyinge chitokwariganire tigo kumanyana kichi abachigo koria nenase orogongoro wa Gusii county ya Kisii na boigo county ya Nyamira korende tomerane chikoraga chinsa isatu Petra Mukeira nerone kyachibichane ryo gichago ikere na nchere triane Everline Osero twaro burigere burubya.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omugusi.
Tumepea nyinyi pesa kutoka National Treasury, muachilie pesa wananchi